all of my relevant people, welcome back to my channel. If you all are new to my channel, my name is Sherelle Coleman. And for all of the old subscribers, please usher in the new subscribers and tell them hello in the comments, y'all. So today's video is another juicing video. And the name of today's juice is called Eye Opener. Now, I know when some of y'all probably hear this, hear that name, Eye Opener, you probably think, this might be good for the eyes. It's not. When I went to go look to see what health conditions this juice is associated with, it didn't have anything to do with your eyes, which I was kind of, I guess, thrown off by. But this juice is associated with a few health conditions. And I got this juice from out of my handy dandy, the Juicing Bible, which will be linked in the description box. And y'all know I got it from off Amazon. So Eye Opener juice is going to consist of strawberries, oranges, and carrots. Now, I've juiced all three of these fruits before, but I have never juiced strawberries with carrots before. I've done strawberries and oranges, but I'm curious to see how it's going to taste with strawberries and carrots together. I'm hoping I can get enough juice. I think that's my one thing, is I want to get enough juice because I like to batch juice. I like to have a juice for every day of the week. If I can get 5 of my 16-ounce glass bottles filled, that would be great. And I owe you guys, I will also list how much I use of each fruit in the description box as well. So let's get into what health conditions are associated with this juice. So the first one is fatigue. The second one is heart problems. And I'm reading from my handy dandy notepad. And when I mean heart problems, I mean if you have high cholesterol, high blood pressure, something that I have, cardiovascular disease, and heart failure and stroke. The next one is immune deficiency. And immune deficiency can be associated with, resisting against infections, allergies, something that I suffer with, and just any type of chronic illness that's attacking your immune system. And then the next one is Parkinson's disease. And then the last one is menstrual disorders. And when I mean menstrual disorders, absence of menstruation, painful menstruation, and PMS, which is premenstrual syndrome, something we as women suffer from. And so to have a juice that's going to help with those type of things is going to be very, very beneficial to the body. I'm trying to think. If this juice is good, y'all, then I'll probably make it again as I get closer to, my cycle, when it's time for me to come on to help with that. Because, like myself and many women, I suffer from cramps. Some women have more painful cramps than others. But I'm hoping this is good. We're going to see. Y'all know I'm going to taste it at the very end. But before we get started with this video, y'all, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, especially if you want to see more videos like this. So, y'all, let's get it started. Let go. Oranges are known for their vitamin C content, but they actually contain more than 170 different phytonutrients. These fruits have been shown to help shrink tumors, prevent blood clots, and reduce inflammation. Carrots help reduce the risk for cancer, cardiovascular disease, and macular degeneration. Carrots are a great source of vitamins A, B, and C, as well as iron, calcium, potassium, and sodium. Carrots also contain beta-carotene and carotenoids. Strawberries are a good source of vitamin C, which helps to heal wounds and improve gum and teeth health. Strawberries are also known to have antiviral, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. These berries have also been linked to lowering LDL, which is bad cholesterol. Guys, so I am finally done juicing, and I was able to fill 6 of these 16-ounce glass bottles. Got these from Amazon. They will be listed in the description box. All right, y'all, I'm a little nervous on how this is going to taste. Let's shake this one up. Of course, the color is orange. Most likely the carrots are the dominant gene here. So let me shake this up and let's give this a taste. Get my handy dandy straw. All right, y'all, excuse the gulping that y'all about to hear. ASMR. Not too bad. It's not sweet, I will say that. Definitely taste the carrots. I guess I'm tasting the orange and the strawberries. It's pretty like silent. Let's see. I guess that's oranges that I'm smelling. I can smell the strawberries a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, I'm trying to see if I can taste these strawberries. I don't taste the strawberries. I guess I didn't get a sweet batch of strawberries. I honestly wanted to add some ginger into it, but I just was like, let me just make the recipe as is. Maybe I can put pieces of ginger in it. I just want to use my ginger up that I have in the refrigerator, but it's not sweet. So if you all don't like really sweet juices, this would be a really good juice. It doesn't taste bad. It doesn't go in the top 10, maybe top 20, but not the top 10. It's not a favorite, but this is something that I can make this again if I, before my menstrual cycle comes on, to have something like this to drink. So I can make this again for that. But again, it's not my favorite, but it is drinkable. It's just not really sweet. The carrots really are dominant. Like, they overpowered everything. The carrots said, honey, here I am. And I am the main star. I mean, look at the color. Yeah, I honestly did not think it was going to be orange. I really didn't, but it is. So yeah, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. My door just made a little noise. Anywho, in the words of the pastor, in closing, if you all enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share with your neighbor. Say, neighbor, share this video. Look to your left and your right and say, neighbor, share this video. Amen. And please don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Your girl is at 400 subscribers. 400. I'm shocked. The last video for the Apple Fresh did really well, and I can't believe it, but I'm going to link that video. It's going to be at the end. But y'all go watch that video as well, and go watch some of my other juicing videos if you all are trying to get into juicing. And don't forget, I also do beauty and hair as well. I need to post more of those, but I'm liking the juicing videos so far, y'all. But anywho, I'm rambling on, y'all. I hope y'all have a good day, good night, whatever time of day that y'all are watching this. And I will see y'all next time, because I got to go. Bye, y'all. See y'all next time.